1st is that kind of number we use because that's when all that snow starts to taper off and things begin to melt out. Now, our Sierra Station Index for snow water equivalent showing the northern Sierra here 118% of average to date. The April 1st average at 114. Central Sierra closer to home. That's 102% of this date's average. And then percent of April 1st is 97. I mean, we are really nearing where we should be. We're almost exactly on par there for the April 1st average. Southern Sierra just slightly below, but they'd usually get a little less snow than everyone else as they're further south. But statewide, 104% and 100% of that April 1st average. I mean, we couldn't have asked for a better time to get more of that snow a little bit later in the season to help out with some more of that skiing and snowboarding as well as we start pushing through spring. Strong and damaging winds are going to continue as we move into your Friday. This weekend, though, we're looking at a warm up with much lighter winds pushing into your Saturday and then possible shower chances maybe on the horizon. In the Big Mountain backyard, temperatures right now about 67 in Sacramento, low 70s in Stockton, Modesto at 68. 72 in Marysville with sunshine with 38 degrees in Tahoe. How beautiful would it be to be skiing and snowboarding right now with those conditions? Wind advisory, though, is in effect. So unfortunately for a lot of those people who may be at some little bit of those lower elevations, maybe getting some gusty winds. We are going to look at these gusty winds continue until we move into our Friday. And then we'll be looking here at a high wind warning for the Sierra with strong gusts, 55 to 70 miles per hour until we get to about 5 p.m. with still damaging winds potentially causing more down trees and power outages as we saw today on US 50. Now we are looking still at some difficult travel into Friday. Right now a low is in place bringing strong winds to us and into Southern California with Santa Ana winds. High pressure just offshore, and it's that funneling effect that's happening. Take a look at that. The way they're moving in opposite directions, funneling that wind down out of the northeast and out of the north for the valley spots. And that's what's really creating those very strong winds for us as you see it coming in off the mountains there for the Southern California region. That's the Santa Ana winds for us. We are looking at winds coming in as well and out of the north, creating those very strong wind gusts for us as we move into Friday morning, 11 a.m. Still strong gusts in the valley and coastal range as well as Sierra. But as we get into the evening hours, 5 p.m. commute, much better conditions. Moving into Saturday, we'll also be looking at some lighter winds, about 15 miles per hour max, and then we'll be seeing some pretty nice conditions for the weekend with some sunshine and St. Patrick's Day also. This weekend, we'll be looking at our temperatures for your Sunday, 47 degrees. I know a lot of people running that half marathon. As we get to lunchtime, 63. The evening hours, about 72 p.m. or 72 degrees in the evening, and we'll be looking at those temperatures into your Friday in the upper 60s, low 70s. Taking a look at that 10-day forecast, we'll continue that mid-70s for us as we move to start off next week. And then we have some rain chances on the horizon Friday and Saturday.
California weather is a land of extremes.
From dangerous heat, droughts, and wildfire.
To severe storms, flooding, and mountains of snow.
Plus, the occasional tornado.
Keeping you prepared takes a team.
We have decades of experience forecasting this diverse region.
Our job doesn't stop at the forecast.
We investigate what's happening to our climate so you can be ready.
Helping you prepare for today and stay safe tomorrow. With a weather team you can trust, only on ABC 10.
Hi, I'm Alex Bell. Join me weeknights at 6:30 on To The Point. Instead of just reporting on the problems, we cut through the noise and look for solutions. We're not afraid to investigate local stories. We're not afraid to include different perspectives. We're not afraid to hold those in power accountable. This is your community, and it's my community too, and we're here to make it better for everyone. Join me, Alex Bell, on To The Point, weeknights at 6:30, only on ABC 10.